Hi everyone. In this quick Excel tutorial, I will show you how to create a pivot table in Excel. So pivot table is one of the powerful tools in Excel that we use to do quick data analysis or summary. So to do pivot table in Excel, the first thing you have to do is to convert your data set to a table. So how do we do that? So click on anywhere within the data set and do Control T. Okay. So this has converted this data set right now to a table. That is the first step. So after which you still click on anywhere within the table and go to your Insert tab, click on Pivot Table, and you will have a pop-up. So this pop-up is asking you, do you want to have your results on this same worksheet or probably on a new worksheet? So I usually advise you choose a new worksheet so that you can have enough space to do your quick analysis. So right now, I'm going to stick to this new worksheet. I press OK. So right now, I have my pivot table here and the pane containing my column headers and the quadrants that I'm going to drag this into shortly. Before then, let me show you something. If you click anywhere outside this pivot table, excuse me, you're going to see that that pane has disappeared. So to have it on, you need to click on the pivot table, okay? Now, I want us to look at a very quick question so that we can understand pivot table better. So using the data on student performance, how can we summarize the total score for each course using a pivot table? So I want to do a quick summary. I want to do a quick summary of student score against their courses right now. So what to do is look at this score, we drag score into values and course into rows. So let's say you don't know where to drag any of this into. So let's say you want to take this one out right now, want to start afresh, take it out. If you click on score and course, automatically it will help you put them in the appropriate field. But at times, if you want to do filters, it may not work. So you need to understand how to make use of these four quadrants. So we can see that we now have a quick summary of our students' performance against each course. But to know what each student scores in each course, it's nice we have a kind of slicer. The slicer will help us do a quick and easy navigation to know the performance of each student against each course. So how do we do that? So we go to the Insert tab, then click on Slicer. Then let's say I want to check, I want to know what each student scored in each of the in each course. So let's use student name this time around and press OK. So this is a slicer. You can move around this slicer here and there. So what slicer does is that it helps you to do your filter easily without struggling. So let's say, for instance, we want to see what Alice Thompson scores. So Alice Thompson right now, she did UI UX design and she scored 62. Let's say we want to see Grace Akinwale, for instance, she did our cloud computing and she scored 88. So that's how to do a quick pivot table in Excel. If you want to learn more about PivotTable, you can check my other videos and as well kindly subscribe to this channel to get more updates from me. Thank you for your time and I really appreciate you. Bye.